parts of a computer. Hello there. Can you wave your arm and say hi to me? Did you notice that you used your arm and hand to wave and your mouth to speak? I can see that your body has different parts. I see eyes, ears, a nose, mouth, hands and legs. Do the eyes and ears have the same function? No, all these body parts perform different functions. Now take a look at computer body parts. Just like the human body, a computer also has different parts which have their own specific functions. The main parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. We can also connect a printer and speakers to a computer. These parts together make up the computer system. The monitor of a computer is like a television and displays the work of the computer. Movies, cartoons and videos can be seen on the monitor. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the black box connected to the computer. Just like the brain controls the entire body, the CPU controls the computer. In fact, without the CPU, the computer would not even start. So the CPU is called the brain of a computer. How do you dial a number on a mobile phone or use a calculator? You have to press keys on a keypad to type the numbers. Similarly, to type letters and numbers on the computer, we need a keypad. The keyboard is used for this. It has different keys that perform various functions. The mouse is a pointing device that allows you to point and click anywhere on the monitor screen. It consists of 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. The mouse pointer is an arrow on the computer screen which moves as you move the mouse. The mouse can also be used to draw pictures. When you write a letter to your friend on the computer, it can be seen only on the screen. But if you want, you can print this letter and get a hard copy of your work by using a printer. With speakers, the computer can turn into a music system and you can listen to your favorite music on it. So you see how the different parts of the computer work together to do the work, just like the different parts of the body work together to make it function.